Assembly is creating the modular building of the future. Through their state-of-the-art digital design, manufacturing, and on-site installation, they are able to deliver architecturally distinctive buildings that are highly cost-effective, faster to construct, and better for the planet. Assembly approaches buildings as high-end products and not one-off projects. Their advanced software platform takes their construction modules and allows for a wide range of unique uses across a variety of building types. It's the next generation of modular building, free from the limited options and bland design of modular construction in the past.
Building and construction is incredibly inefficient. Assembly is the only company in the world that can build modular buildings, high-rise, in downtown cities.
The company's buildings are streamlined at every level for high performance and quality, leveraging new technologies that simply haven't existed before. Our cities need more housing, and Assembly is on a mission to meet this need through a new approach that combines speed, scale, and sustainability to help shape the cities of our future.